welcome back to the channel. Now it's a little chilly today, but I was like, I need to go ahead and record this video for y'all so I can have it out the way, have it ready, edit it, get it all posted, do the thumbnail, all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all seen by the title. So I ordered this Lambo door kit, this universal Lambo door kit, so it's supposed to fit on any car, no matter the year. And I was thinking of just putting it on this charger. I don't want to throw it on one of the old schools. I feel like Lambo doors, or however y'all say it, or whatever y'all want to call it. Growing up, we used to call it Lambo doors and butterfly doors. So yeah, I don't know. I just didn't think they'll look good on the old school car. So I feel like I can do this charger. Like, if y'all know Lil Boosie, his little documentary that he did when he was younger, he had a charger that looked just like mine. I forgot what year it was, probably 06, 07, something like that, 06 I think. He had a red charger, literally just like mine. He had some dub floaters on it, and he had the Lambo doors. And I was like, when I was a kid, I always was like, bro, that's hard, you feel me? So I was like, why not go ahead and order the Lambo door kit and get it done on this car? It's something I always liked on Lil Boosie's car. So why not do it on my own, since I'm old enough and I could do it, you feel me? So I went ahead and ordered the Lambo door kit. I ordered this door kit, I'll say like maybe 2 years ago now. A year ago, year and a half, 2 years, something like that, or like around that time, from between a year and 2 years. So it's around that, that's how long I had this door kit. I've been asking around, like since I bought this kit, I've been asking around trying to find somebody who can do it. And the one time I found somebody who would do it, he was trying to charge me $1,000 to put this door kit on. And bro, I was like, nah, I'd rather do it myself, mess it up, and just worry about fixing it myself. Or, you feel me, I'll just wait until I find somebody who can do it cheaper. Because paying $1,000 just to put a door kit on, I'm better off just buying another project car. You feel me? So yeah, we gonna figure something out to do it ourselves. But yeah, that's what this video about. We ain't gonna be putting it on. I just wanted to show it to y'all and get y'all opinion on it, what y'all think about it. You feel me? So I think it'll look really good on this charger. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show y'all Lil Boosie's charger. If y'all don't know it, I'm gonna show it to y'all. His charger from when he was growing up, or when he was coming up as a rapper, I should say. It was a red charger. I'm pretty sure it was 06. It was an 06 charger. He had some dub floaters on it, and he had the Lambo doors on it. And it was just so hard to me. And when I was young, I was like, I gotta have that charger just so I could do it just like his. Now I might be going a little bit different direction, but the Lambo doors is something I still want to do to this car. So yeah, I'm gonna get out. I gotta get this in the back seat. I've been having it in this car for the longest. I had took it out for like a couple months. Yeah, when this car wasn't running and stuff, I had took it out so nobody would try to get in the car, and you feel me, then they have a free Lambo door kit. This door kit wasn't that much either. I got it when, like I said, about a year or two ago, and it was $300 for the whole kit. It come with, well, I'm gonna end up showing y'all what all it come with, but it come with the Lambo doors, and it come with the air shocks, or shocks, whatever they call it. Y'all know the things that hold the hood up without you having to put that what's called in there, or the things that hold the trunk up, or if you got a SUV, the things that hold the window up. It come with that. Come with some bolts, some screws, and I don't think it came with no instructions. See, where I messed up at is I took it out the box and I never put it back in the box. I threw the box away. That's where I messed up at. Well, I didn't throw the box away, but one of my family members threw the box away, and that's where I messed up at. So yeah, it's just sitting in my back seat, but I got everything organized and I know where everything get to it. So yeah, once I get out, I'm gonna show y'all the kit, and I want y'all opinion on what y'all think it'll look like on this car. Like I said, I think it'll look really hard on this car, especially since this is my daily though. That's gonna be the only thing. Since this is my daily and people are always asking me for rides, so I give people rides in my charger. I don't want them to mess up the door kit. You know, they trying to yank on it, trying to throw it up in the air, you know. So that's my only thing. So if I do put it on this car, I will not let nobody get in this car no more, because I don't know if they know how to do the Lambo doors. Because you really don't see, like where I live at, you don't see much of that stuff around here. You feel me? Like you might see a few C8s. You don't see no Lamborghinis. Like the most C8s I seen where I live, 2. I seen the silver one and I seen the red one. You might see a couple C7s, like I probably seen one. I seen a Viper though. I don't know who own it, but most of these people that own this stuff are older, like retired. You feel me? So it ain't really much you'll see down here of different cars. You'll see like older cars, like a few old school cars, a few, not a lot. I said the most like 20. Probably 10 that's only on the road. The rest of them just sitting in people's yards. But yeah, like I said, where I live at, you don't see much of good cars, like expensive cars. You feel me? Most of this stuff is not expensive. But that's why I want to end up changing things. So I want to be able to get cars and stuff, cars that people ain't seen, and be like, wow, that's dope. You feel me? He doing something different. But yeah, that's not what this video about. This video about the Lambo door kit. So let me get ready to get out, show y'all this Lambo door kit. All right, y'all, cars going by, so I'm trying to get this really quick. But yeah, like I was saying, here go the Lambo door kit. This is one of them. So when you open it, you'll open the door out, and then you'll go, let me see if I can, you'll pull it out, and then you'll free. See, that's why I was saying, bro, doing this stuff one-handed. Let me see if I can sit y'all up. Oh. Alright, so I'm break my phone. But yeah, like I was saying, to do the Lambo door kit, so you'll go out, and then you'll go all the way out or something. Yeah, basically it's just the door will go out, and then you'll go up or down, however this supposed to go. But it ain't going. Well, it ain't going. But yeah, let me show y'all the rest of the kit though. Forget that. I gotta take my thumbnail picture though. Leave that out. Yeah, so it come with 2 of the door kit pieces and then all 4 of the shocks. I don't think you use all 4 of the shocks. You might though. I don't know, but I don't, like I was saying though, that first, I don't think it come with an instruction sheet. Y'all see the wheels? We gotta get rid of them still. Still gotta get rid of the wheels. Tail lights for the Cutlass. Hopefully the Cutlass coming back soon. And here go the rest of the stuff. So this is the sheet it did come with. So yeah, you do use both of the shocks. Oh, it is an installation sheet. Okay. Yeah. So all I know is you gotta take the whole fender off, as y'all can see, because this kit go behind the fender. So that's all. That's the only thing I knew, that you're supposed to take off the fender to get to put this kit on. So that's why I was saying I didn't want to do it myself, but I'm probably gonna have to because I can't find nobody else to do it. Come with all the brackets. Sit that down. Like I said, I got everything organized, so all the pieces I need is in this door, and then the other part of the kit is behind the seat. So I got everything organized, ready. This is some underglow lights. I didn't know what car to put them under. I'm probably gonna put them under this one though, since I got them ones for the Caprice. I'm probably gonna throw them under here. See the bolts. Y'all see the underglow lights. My bad, I don't know if I showed you or if y'all seen it good. Double-sided tape. You feel me? Like I said, I got this whole kit, so I got everything to go to this kit. And like I said that first, dang, I'm gonna break my phone. I probably paid $300 at the most for this. Didn't pay too much. It wasn't too cheap either. Like I said, I just gotta find somebody who can do it though. That's the only thing. I need to take his thumbnail picture. I'm gonna breaking my phone. But yeah, that's the whole little kit. So it ain't really too much to it. It's just you gotta drill. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, the only thing is to it, you gotta drill some holes to it. So you can't just stick it on the car, you feel me? You can't just replace the door hinges. You can't just replace them and throw this on there. You gotta throw this whole kit behind the fender. So that's the only thing with this kit. So you'll have to, it'll be like this. Well, this upside down. So that's the driver's side. But and this kit is a little heavy too. But it'll be like this under the fender, onto the door hinges. So that's what I was saying. I just have to find somebody who could throw this on there for me, cause I ain't gonna be able to do it. No, no, I ain't. Even though I said I'd rather do it myself than pay like $1,000 to get it done. I'm not paying no $1,000. So once I'm able to find somebody who can do it for me, we're gonna end up getting it done. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know. I'm trying to take this thumbnail picture. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the kit. I'm trying to take this thumbnail picture. There we go. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the kit. Once again, it'll go. Scratching up my paint. It'll go right there. So it'll be just like it. Under the fender, onto the door. So that's how it'll be. The door. Let me see if I can get it now. Go up. Nope. See, this one is. Alright, let me sit y'all back up and I'll show y'all how it go. Sit y'all back up. Yeah. So it'll go. Y'all see? Or I'll turn it this way for y'all. You'll pull the door out, then you'll pull the door up. So y'all see? Lambo doors. That's how it'll go. It'll go out, then you'll pull the door up. Then you gotta push it back down. So that's really all you do to it, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the kit. Me personally, I really love this kit. I can't wait to throw it on. I feel like it'll just make the car even pop even more and make the car be different, because down here my car is the only matte red car. See, that's why when I bought this car, I seen a couple cars with a gloss red paint, so I was like, all right, when we repaint it, I'm gonna just leave it matte instead of throwing a clear on it. Not a good decision, because the paint, like, I ain't gonna say chipping, but it's scratching up easily. You feel me? See, like right here, this won't come off. So yeah, that's really it. But my car is different. It's not like everybody else's, and I got red on red. So most people just got their stock wheels on. I ride rims on all my cars, like y'all know I like rims. But yeah, y'all let me know about the Lambo door kit. I feel like it'll make this car just be a little more different anyway. So once we get in there for the intro, I'm gonna show y'all Lil Boosie's car. That way y'all can see my vision, how I want to do it. So yeah, let me put this kit back up and give me a second. All right, y'all. Let me look up. People hitting my phone up. Let me look up Lil Boosie's charger real quick so I can show y'all what I'm looking for. My phone moving a little slow. Here we go. One more second. Y'all see, this ain't really a clear image, but that was his charger. Y'all can see that pretty good. And it had the Lambo doors on it, and I always thought that was so hard watching his little documentary. I was like, bro, I need to do my charger like that if I ever get one. Like, this was my dream car growing up. This, the box Chevy, and like a few the box Chevy, the GNX, and like a Lamborghini was my dream cars. I always wanted them cars. So once I start making good money and get me a Lambo, dog, I'll be straight. That's all I want though. Them my dream cars. And I got 2 out of the 4 right now. I just need to find me a GNX. Well, I ain't even gonna be able to find a GNX. If I do, they gonna want like 50K for it, probably more than that. But I want me a Regal, so I'll settle for a Regal instead of the GNX. I don't mind it. I hope y'all seen that picture pretty clearly though. It just showed his little red charger. Y'all can look it up on Google though, Lil Boosie's red charger. And it's on his album cover too, from when he was growing up too. So yeah, that's my plan to try to do with this car. I wanna throw the Lambo door kit on. So like I said, I want y'all opinion on it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just a little vlog really. I want to do more of this, just me talking to y'all, you feel me, and y'all talking back to me in the comment section. So I really appreciate y'all supporting me. Like, no cap, like for real, y'all really supporting my dream and my goal. So I really appreciate y'all for that. Y'all do me a favor though, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm real consistent right now. I got a little couple videos piled up ready to drop, so yeah, I'm just staying consistent really. Y'all look forward to them wheels. Them wheels finna get thrown on soon. These wheels I gotta get rid of, but the other 24s, the black 3 spokes, they finna get thrown on. So that's probably the next video y'all gonna see from me, throwing them wheels on. Then we're gonna do a drive in it. Then I need to wash that car. But it's supposed to rain this weekend, so I don't know if I'm gonna record this weekend or wait till next week. But for y'all just gonna see the videos anyways. They already getting recorded for y'all. So like I said, I appreciate y'all for supporting me, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all let me know about the door kit, how y'all feel about it, what y'all think we should do, if we should do it, if we not should do it. Yeah, like I said though, I appreciate y'all for supporting me and my dream and my goal. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.